ओके सो गाइस आज एक नया व्लॉग। वी आर गोइंग टू अ वेरी न्यू प्लेस। मैं भी पहली बार जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पे एंड द वेदर इज़ क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही अच्छी वेदर है। तो अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ये राइड डिसाइड किया था हमने, जस्ट मी, आई एम गोइंग सोलो एंड शॉकवेव इज़ रेडी। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, वेरी लेस लगेज। खुद के लिए आज एक लंच पैक किया है, सैंडविचेस ले लिए। हम लोग भी गियर्ड अप हो चुके हैं। The bike has been topped up. We won't be using navigation because I know this route, but I just don't know the location. तो वो लोकेशन पे पहुँच के ही हम देख लेंगे। It's a beautiful morning. We are at SG Highway, Ahmedabad, and we'll start the journey now. सो अपडेट लेफ्ट ले चुके हैं, उसके बाद भी अराउंड 10 किलोमीटर्स हम आगे आ चुके हैं हिम्मतनगर टर्न से। एंड आई एम पहला स्टॉप लिया है, वी हैव जस्ट टेकन द फर्स्ट स्टॉप। वी हैव सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड जस्ट 44 किलोमीटर। वेरी वार्म टेम्परेचर है, बट बाइक चलती है, व्हेन द बाइक इज़ मूविंग इट्स क्वाइट स्मूथ। अच्छा हुआ कि मैंने सिर्फ एक इस बार बहुत लाइट कपड़े पहने, बहुत हैवी नहीं पहने, बिकॉज बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग रेन्स ऑन द वे, सो लेट्स सी। सो या ओके सो फाइनली वी हैव रीच टू रोडा टेम्पल। थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट था ये जगह ढूंढना बट यस, हम लोग पूरे ये गांव के रास्ते से आए। वी केम थ्रू द विलेज रोड एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी नैरो रोड। कोई बोर्ड्स नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, यू नेवर नो। एक लोकल मिल गया था एंड ही गाइडेड मी ओवर हियर। अभी हम लोग रोडा टेम्पल आए, विल सी थ्रू इट। Well, sadly, I do not know any history about this place, and there is no boards over here जो इसको अच्छे से समझाता हो। जैसे हम लोग सन टेम्पल गए थे मोढेरा, बट यहाँ पे अभी कोई पूजा नहीं होती, आई गेस खंडित है ये भी। So this is the whole temple, as you can see. Very wonderful picturesque scenario is there on scenery, I would say, this temple. टेम्पल में तो कुछ खास इंफॉर्मेशन मिली नहीं, बट आई गेस इट वॉज वंस वर्शिप्ड, लगता तो ऐसे ही है। बट लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट प्लेस। रॉयल एनफील्ड ऐप इज showing the map a bit further, whereas Google Map is showing right over here where we are standing. So let's try it out. We are out here to explore, so we'll explore more. Okay, so yes, we found the main temple premises. जो एक आगे टेम्पल आया था वो एक इनिशियल फर्स्ट टेम्पल था, या था वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट टेम्पल्स था। दिस इज द मेन प्लेस वेयर द रोडा टेम्पल्स आर लोकेटेड, एज यू कैन सी, एंड वी विल गो अप देयर। So they are not allowing me to shoot anything inside, but they allowed me to click some photos. So I clicked a few photos you would be seeing shortly. And they said that the archaeological site is still in process. Only a few minor renovations have been done. It has been protected under the National Monument Act of India. So it definitely holds an significance in Indian history, but there is no particular history written anywhere. But yes, he is a very good person. He showed me a bit of the temple history, but nothing too much particular. He only said that it was built in the 19th century, so around 1100 years or 1200 years ago. It is a very difficult situation if you want to find this particular temple, because there is a village called as Rajpur which falls somewhere around that part, and then you have to come through a detour over here, almost 3 kilometers inside the village and 5 kilometers to the main highway. And they have freshly paved the road over here, so I guess in a meantime they might make this place public, and it is currently active. The local villagers are still praying in this temple, so it's a good thing. It's a temple of Lord Shiva. Yeah, I would catch you from the next location. reached to the bottom of Guhai Dam. We are technically on the front gates of the Guhai Dam. So I'm making my way up over here on my bike. So they have closed off the gates. Guhai Dam pe motor vehicles allowed nahi hai. So I've parked my bike over there, and we are having a small climb towards Guhai Dam. This is the main Guhai Dam's wall, and in a few seconds you will see the most scenic place in dam scenarios, I would say. But yes, here you go. So this is main Guhai Dam reservoir, as you can see. Superb location. I was expecting rains today, but it is overcast right now. ये बादल बरस जाए बस ये वाला. No camera would be able to suffice it, but there has been enough rains lately and in past few days, so you can see everything is green still over there far. Everything is green, and this time I came from another route through those back roads you just saw. So technically you should come from those parts and then join over here. I wish I could bring my bike over here for a few photographs, but bad luck, I would say. But superb. Ride सफल हो गई. Hathmathi Dam, and the gates are closed again. What a view it would have been if we could walk over there or take our bikes over there. So that's the whole reservoir, as you can see.
Eventually.
Came over here in an expectation that everything would be underwater. Apparently everything is farmlands. But no, it was a good ride. Whole stretch of this is a bit similar to Dhanushkodi, and because I'm referencing Dhanushkodi because the whole road, the one that you are seeing, the whole stretch and where we are standing right now, it has to be typically underwater. Well, if you can see, there is water over there. I'm going to eat my lunch now. Very good bread butter, lifesaver. But apparently I'm going to ration this, and I would eat it somewhere else. So yeah, thank you to my wife, to my mother. Reached to the final destination of today's vlog or today's ride, and we are on this hilltop, And what a wonderful place and a view. And a very suitable place to end the vlog right over here. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share to Roadster Rides. And this is the view that this place has to offer. So just so that you have an idea, we technically covered that whole hill, then this particular hill, and then we came from there, we came over here, and we are up here right now. So yes, make sure to subscribe, like and share. I hope you like this video, and we will be meeting soon in the next vlog, really soon in the next ride. And till then, make sure to subscribe, like and share. This is Roadster out.